In the first episode, the HST Mark III arrived from Italy along with the Spark. This is the continuation of the unboxing, this time featuring the HST. Let's open the box and see what's inside. What you see on the top is a 3.5mm male plug cable. One end is straight while the other end is bent at a 90-degree angle. This makes it easy to plug into your HST, so you won't have to worry about any cord sticking out awkwardly from the top of your key. Kudos to Begali for including this handy cable. Begali includes coasters with their package. We saw some included from the previous unboxing. Here's a QSL card like the one we saw in the Spark box. And we've also got the latest brochure from Begali to keep up to date with their latest products. And as always, the careful packaging from Begali. It's the little things that make a big difference. Almost didn't see it, but here's a cleaning cloth and a feeler gauge. They're great additions. Let's speed up the unwrapping. Presenting the HST. HST stands for high-speed telegraphy. The design of this key reminds me of an Italian sports car. Beautiful, elegant, and fast. Begali's HST single-lever key was inspired by some of the top competitors at the high-speed telegraphy competition in Pordenone, Italy, in 2008. They were using homemade keys that were simple but capable of high speeds in the right hands. Begali decided to take that basic design and improved it. The heavy cast iron base ensures stability, while the aluminum alloy lever, held by precision racing bearings, offers precision and accuracy. The fingerpiece is perforated to prevent slipping, and the contact spacing and tension can be adjusted with gold-plated screws. The return force is created by magnets and an ingenious cam mechanism for consistency and a defined center position. The HST has gone through some evolutions from the original. The Mark III is pre-wired and features a plug on the base for easy use, compared to the Mark II, which required soldering. Here's the plug on the base. This is the included cable provided by Begali. The switch on the base allows you to choose between single lever mode or sideswiper mode. If you hear the term Cootie, it's just another name for sideswiper mode. The base is made of phosphatized iron, and no two bases are identical. giving each key its own unique character. Okay, let's check out this demo of the HST Morse key. I've connected it to the Morse-it app on my iPad. It's a fantastic tool for learning to send and copy Morse code. With the ability to connect your keys in practice, it helps improve your spacing and timing. Okay, here we go. That was uncut and unedited to show you my mistake in sending. I accidentally sent an M instead of an O, but quickly corrected it. The great thing about Morse-it is that it decodes exactly what you send, mistakes and all. Despite the error, my spacing looks good without mistakes. I'll cover Morse-it in a future video. For all the beginners out there, stay tuned for future Morse code tips and tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. Now let's talk about the HST Morse key. The key weighs in on my scale at 1.81 kilograms, or 4 pounds. It feels fantastic and is incredibly accurate. The one error was all on me, not the key. Designed for speed, I felt like 20 words per minute was slow on this key, like a Ferrari limited to school zone speeds when it's meant to race. My typical speed on levers and paddles is around 25 words per minute and around 18 to 20 words per minute on straight keys. But even 25 is nothing for this key. It's designed for so much more, which at this point I'm not capable of reaching. I'm not a speed demon, so going faster than 25 isn't a priority. I mainly bought this key to learn the sideswiper Cootie mode. Besides, most hams on the CW channels operate between 15 to 20 words per minute on average. Before we go, watch as I do a quick test drive of this key at my preferred speed of 25 words per minute.